and I want to change its mode right here below where we set unbound for type. We've got mode. Right now it's set to default. I'm going to change that to noise field. And you can see it gives us some additional settings there. And I'm going to set the X value of pan to a value of 2. And I'm going to set location strength and change the Z to 50. And here's where it starts getting fun. It's moving. Okay, so we want to make this into a movie, right? Definitely. This should be a movie. So we can drag our camera, and now I could shoot a movie. We could also, just like we've done in our previous projects, if I want to bring the Cloner 3 area up higher, I can add that in as an object inside the scene and have them raise up.